Now that we have a nice key, let's create a chest that we can unlock with this key. In that same platformer kit where Kenny's got the key asset, it's also got this nice chest one, which even better has got an open animation on it that we can play anytime we unlock this chest. So let's create yet another scene. It's going to be yet another area 3D, so that we can tell when we've collided with this chest. We'll save it as chest, chest.tscene, and we're going to drag in the GLB asset. It's a little bit small. I might scale it up to 2 times as big, and then I'm going to add a collision shape, and I'll make that one a sphere. Looks like it could be a little bit bigger, radius 1, and we'll just drag it up so it's around our chest. That's already looking nice. We're going to add our script to the chest, chest.gd. We're going to add a signal to tell that our body has entered it and collided with our chest. Don't need these other functions, but in here we will check that our body that's entered it is in group playable, and because we've only given keys to our character bodies, we'll also check that the body is a character body 3D. Then we can check if they've got any keys. So we'll write if body.keys is greater than 0. That's when we can do some stuff to open this chest. And if the person doesn't have any keys, well, for right now we'll just do nothing at all. So we want a reference to the animation player. We're going to open our chest, click editable children so I can get to the animation player, and now I'll be able to write animation player.play open, and it will play that open animation. But we also want to remove one of our keys when we use it to open the chest. So I'll write body.keys minus equals 1, and we want to add to our score, otherwise there's no point going through all the effort of collecting a coin and opening the chest. So we'll write body.score plus equals, let's say 5 for opening a chest. So this is the point where we've removed one key from our player, so we might need to go back to our main script and re-hide this little key icon, because we might have run out of all our keys, and so we don't want to show the player that they have a key. So last thing we're adding into this chest script for now is we're going to get a reference to this sub-viewport container. That's the wrong reference though, because we're in a different part of the tree. So again, we're going to go /root/main to get to anything on our canvas layer. And then, just after I've subtracted a key from the player, I'm going to check to see if they've lost all their keys by writing body.keys is less than or equal to 0. Just in case for some weird reason they end up with less than 0 keys. And then I'm going to hide that sub-viewport container. That means they've run out of keys, and so we won't see that in the canvas layer anymore. Now I just need to add a chest, chest.tscene, to my main scene, and we can see if this all works. I'll try to pick up the chest, and because it's an area 3D, I just run straight through it. If that bothers you, you can make it a static body as well. But if I pick up the key and then collide with the chest, it opens. That's looking really nice.